Hi guys, here's Ty again, yet with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this fluffy, nice Mahamri. We are going to need 800 grams of flour, to be precise, 4 cups if you're using a cup, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of sugar, stir nicely, add 30 grams of freshly chopped ginger or cardamom. I don't like cardamom, that's why I use ginger instead, or grated lemon peel. Add 1 tablespoon of margarine. At this point, you can use either your machine, or your KitchenAid, or your hands. Your lukewarm 350 gram whole milk. Add your 10 gram fresh yeast. Stir well. After, you're going to add your milk to your dry ingredients and start mixing on a lower level to avoid the flour from spreading all over. You can open up. When you double check and see that everything is fully incorporated, the dough is one, this is the point where you would want to let it knead for 7 to 10 minutes. Test your dough if it's your clean your surface, because you're going to need the surface for the next step. If the dough is sticky, you can add a little bit of flour, just light. Cut it to your favorable pieces. Make sure you use the folding technique. Then use your hands to make the surface smooth. Put them in flour and on a plate or anything that you have at your disposal. After you're done, you have to cover them with a plastic bag. If you don't have enough time and you don't want to let them rise alone for 1 hour, you can put them into the oven for 30 minutes at a temperature of 37 degrees to achieve optimal conditions. Now we're going to the next step, which will be rolling them out to your preferable thickness. At this point, if you want them thick, it's up to you. If you want them thin, it's up to you. I like mine a little bit thinner. and you cut them into 4/4 as you wait for your oil to reach the preferable temperature. Then you'll put them in one by one. Always be checking them out. If they reach the golden brown color, which looks really nice, you can always turn them. As for me, I like mine to be this golden brown. This kind of golden brown is really amazing when you're serving your guests. It looks really pretty. When both sides achieve the same color, okay, I don't even know if it's golden brown. When it's brown like that, just remove them. Okay, I was a little bit excited. Now you can take one and open it up, and you see there's no oil inside. It's really fluffy, soft, crunchy on the outside. This is how I exactly love them. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell in case I upload another video. You'll be there to watch it.